This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the price action and major support and resistance levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Thursday, July 14th. At 7 AM we have high impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Again we have a tentative medium impacting news on New Zealand dollar. Also we have a French bank holiday today. Again we have a medium impacting news on euro related currency pairs. From 6 PM we have lots of news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, varying from high impacting news to medium impacting news. So while planning for your trades, consider these events also in your plans. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. I have already marked the resistance and support levels. So when we look at the major resistance level, 1753 is a very strong resistance level because we have noticed a price action to bounce back from these resistance levels in the past, and current price action is trading below this resistance level, which means that when the price action tries to trend back on the bullish side retracement, it will have to break these major resistance levels in order to continue with bullish side trend. But still we have the very strong trend line or the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, which it has to break in order to continue with bullish trend. And when we look at the past price action, we have noticed a price action to form shadows up to the level of 1706, which means that the buyers don't want to let the price action to go below this support level of 1706, and also 1700 is also a psychological support level. It will take some more time to break this psychological support level of 1700. And also we have noticed the price action to form shadow up to this level of 1706, then to quickly retrace back above this support level of 1725, which means that this whole area between 1725 and 1706 will be acting as a major support level for the current price action today. And if the price action manages to break the support level of 1706, next level of major support is going to be around 1679. Based on the past price action, we can understand that this level of 1679 had acted as a very strong support level. So we can expect a bullish trend reversal from this support level if the price action breaks the support level of 1706. The first level of support is going to be 1706, then only it will test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1679. These are all very strong support levels or major support levels in daily time frame. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend, and if the price action doesn't manage to break this support zone between 1725 to 1706, we can expect a similar price action which had happened in the past, which means the retracement to start from this support zone. We can get the confirmation on the retracement when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1753. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trading within a bearish channel pattern. Previously it has tested this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace from this resistance line. We know from the higher time frame that 1724 to 1706, it's a very strong support zone. So if the bearish trend needs to continue, it has to break the first level of support, which is around 1724, in order to continue its bearish trend. This level had acted as a very strong support level in the past also, so there are more chances that price action could bounce back from this support level. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be a bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance, it's going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1753. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. The current price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend, trading within this bearish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. If you are still watching this video, press that like button to show your support. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. We already know from the hourly time frame that the current trend of the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. Within this bearish channel pattern, currently I have drawn a resistance line for the 30 minutes time frame, and we are noticing the price action to be trading below this resistance line. If the bearish trend continues, we have a higher time frame support level of 1724, where we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the price action to continue its bullish side retracement, and if the price action breaks this higher time frame support level, we can expect the price action to continue its bearish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Here we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line, and I have drawn an additional support line for the 5 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, which is also the current trend of the price action in higher time frames also, and wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the trend in 5 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend. Wait for it to break the major support level of 1724 in order to continue trading on a bearish side trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.